Tandon, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Science and Technology. Neutrino Observatory. The central government is planning to set up a neutrino observatory at Body West Hills in the Theni district, Tamil Nadu. The India-based Neutrino Observatory will be a world-class underground laboratory with a rock cover that will study the neutrinos produced in the atmosphere of the Earth. The magnetized ion calorimeter detector is constructed to study neutrinos. Neutrinos are tiny elementary particles like the electron, but not part of the atom. An elementary particle is one that cannot be broken into further smaller pieces. The neutrinos are abundantly found in nature. The sun, stars, and the atmosphere produce millions of neutrinos every second, and most of these neutrinos pass through our body without us realizing. Governance. OSMART scheme. The OSMART scheme was approved by the Cabinet Committee. The umbrella scheme has been implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. OSMART scheme covers a total of 16 sub-projects that address ocean development activities such as technology, resources, services, observations, and sciences. The scheme aims at stepping up the ocean research and setting up early warning weather systems. Mukhya Mantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana. Madhya Pradesh government has announced Mukhya Mantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana on the lines of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. The beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi getting rupees 6,000 per annum will be getting additional financial assistance of rupees 4,000, making their total annual assistance to be rupees 10,000 per annum. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi is an initiative of the Indian government in which all the farmers get up to rupees 6,000 per year as minimum income support. Security. Laser-guided ATGM successfully test fired by DRDO. The Defense Ministry informed that the laser-guided anti-tank guided missile has been successfully test fired from MBT Arjun tank. The ministry further informed that ATGM successfully defeated a target located at 3 km during the test. The anti-tank guided missile has been developed by the Armament Research and Development Establishment, Pune, in association with Instruments Research and Development Establishments, Dehradun, and High Energy Materials Research Laboratory, Pune. Abhyas. The Defense Research and Development Organization conducted a successful flight test of Abhyas. The test was conducted from the Interium Test Range in Balasore, Odisha. During the trials, Abhyas, high-speed expandable aerial target, was successfully test flown. Abhyas, high-speed expandable aerial target, has been designed and developed by Aeronautical Development Establishment, DRDO. It has a MEMS-based interior navigation system for navigation, and it's powered by a small gas turbine engine. Art and culture. Priceless artifacts damaged in Indian Museum renovation. Renovation works at the Indian Museum in Kolkata were carried out without following the necessary conservation process, leading to priceless artifacts being damaged as per the CAG Report. Indian Museum, Kolkata awarded the modernization work on nomination basis and executed the work without any conversation plan or preparation of detailed project report and proper planning. The Indian Museum, found in 1814, is the oldest museum on the subcontinent and houses a range of antiquities, including an Egyptian mummy. International relations. India, Australia conducts 2 days naval exercise in Indian Ocean. The Indian Navy is scheduled to undertake a 2-day passage exercise with Royal Australian Navy in the East Indian Ocean region. These exercises will involve a range of anti-aircraft drills, complex naval maneuvers and helicopter operations. The naval exercise is aimed at improving and understanding, enhancing interoperability and imbibing best practices from each other. India-UK holds Water Partnership Forum. India-UK Water Partnership Forum was held to discuss ways to collaborate on the issues pertaining to infrastructure development and water conservation. A memorandum of understanding will also be inked between Ganga and the British Water. India-UK Water Partnership Forum will be highlighting the strategic partnership approaches between the two countries in order to develop the 21st century water infrastructure in India. India's water conservation program and other policies such as Jal Jeevan Mission, Namami Gang program and Swachh Bharat mission was discussed. Environment. 380 whales dead in mass stranding. At least 380 whales have died in a mass stranding in southern Australia. Nearly the entire pod of 460 long-finned pilot whales stuck in Macquarie Harbour, Tasmania. The causes of mass strandings remain unknown even to scientists who have been studying the phenomenon for decades.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.